Today we are talking about the Jetboil Zip. The Zip is a tried and true classic, and it's based on Jetboil's original PCS design. The great thing about unregulated systems like the Zip is it harnesses every ounce of flux ring technology. And that means you get ultra efficiency and rapid boiling for 3-season performance. It weighs just 12 ounces, and you can actually store a 100-gram jet power can, the burner, and the fuel stabilizer in here. An adjustable 4,500 BTU burner and flux ring technology help keep the Zip super efficient. It'll boil 500 milliliters or 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes. And one of these 100-gram jet power cans will let you boil up to 12 liters of water depending upon conditions. Now, match ignition also keeps the Zip super reliable and super simple. And what's match ignition? Well, you can also think of it as BYOB, bring your own Bic lighter. It comes with a 0.8 liter or 27 fluid ounce flux ring cooking cup and an insulated cozy. That makes it the perfect size for 1 or 2 people. It's also got all the features you'd expect from Jetboil, like a pour spout in the lid, and then a bottom cover that actually doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl. So you've got everything you need to make a meal right here included with the Zip system. So all in all, the Zip is perfect for anybody looking for a lightweight and reliable cooking system that gives you everything you need and nothing you don't.
My Label's LED finger flashlight gloves may come in handy when you need a flashlight in the dark, but need to use both hands for the task, such as working with cables or cars, or even for fishing. Each glove contains 2 LED lights, which allow you to point at whatever you are working on at the moment. It is made out of cotton, which is breathable and stretchy, and it contains a Velcro to easily adjust the glove to your wrist, allowing it to fit most hand sizes. It is easy to use since there is an on-off switch and you don't require to hold a flashlight. The product already includes a screwdriver and a battery that lasts for 30 hours and can be replaced.
Be ready for anything with the RAK Hammer Multi-Tool. Unlike most multi-tools, ours features a compact hammer to handle various small tasks, plus 11 other tools including a nail claw, pliers, wire cutter, flathead and Phillips screwdriver, saw, straight and serrated blade, file, and bottle opener. The locking feature ensures tools lock into place during use for added stability and safety. Plus, it's built with a heavy-duty stainless steel construction to keep up with you, but feels light and comfortable in your hands. Keep it close with the included durable nylon belt holster. Stay prepared with the RAK Hammer Multi-Tool.
The Sharpal 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool is the must-have item for your outdoor lifestyle. It features two V-notch sharpening slots, a tapered diamond rod for serrated edges and gut hooks with a special groove for fish hooks, a fire starter, and a high-pitched emergency whistle. First, let's look at the #1 tungsten carbide sharpener. The tungsten carbide sharpener is for coarse sharpening and quick edge setting to help restore your double-beveled straight edge blade in several strokes. The arrow shows the proper direction for pulling the blade through. Make sure that the sharpener is on a flat surface and that the blade is inserted fully and vertically into the sharpening slot at a 90-degree angle to the sharpener, and that the cutting edge line is parallel to the flat surface. Then pull the full length of the blade through from hill to tip. The tungsten carbide material and the optimum preset sharpening angle is fast and effective. Then switch over to the #2 ceramic sharpener for fine honing. This will polish the blade to a finished edge in several strokes. The Sharpal 6-in-1 also features a tapered diamond rod. This is perfect for sharpening serrations and gut hooks. Simply slide the rod back and forth several times on the area you wish to sharpen using medium firm pressure. An added feature on this rod is the special groove engineered for sharpening fish hooks. Another impressive feature is the integrated fire starter. When your matches are wet or your lighter runs out of gas, this can be a lifesaver. Just remove the rod and pull it quickly and firmly across the tungsten carbide blades. This will give you the spark you need to ignite your tinder and start your fire. Finally, the 6-in-1 includes a built-in emergency whistle. This is perfect for long-distance communication in the wilderness, whether it's your hiking party, your hunting dog, or even a rescue team. It emits a high-pitched blast that can be heard from very far away. And the reflective band on the side can be used as an emergency signal mirror. The Sharpal 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool.
Sharpal, giving you the edge.